Got it here 5 more next level knives. Some of them over $1,000, some of them like $250. So let's see what I got. We'll start with a custom knife. This is DDR. I'm sure a lot of people haven't heard about that brand knives. This is closer to $1,100 knife. So this is a cool pouch. Let's see what's about. So the model is Dominator, date 01/2021, so a year old, V5, and blue anodized carbon fiber. Okay. Also, I think there might be a bead in here. This knife beads right here go up to like $250, especially if it's sterling silver. So it's pretty cool. This one public. So there you go. For those people who have never seen before that brand, super smooth. They make a lot of knives. You see it, DDR, and this is USA, made in United States. Look at that blade. It is incredibly smooth. It's a flipper. I like it that it's like protects your fingers because it will fall. Do you see it? Flick it, stops it. One more time. Yeah, that is nice. Carbon fiber, anodized, whatever I can pronounce the handle right here in the back and right here too. What is it for? I have no idea. Yes, looks cool. Can we open it this way? I mean, it's flipper. Why would I ever open it this way? But if you have to, you could grab it this way slowly. But it is a tank. They make a lot of knives, and it's a huge, thick, big knives, very comfortable. Look at that window breaker, it's huge. Yeah, there you go. Next level knife for sure. Custom knives, handmade. That's what it means most of the time. Okay, this one a little bit cheaper. This one about $250 to $300 knife. Depends on the model. Let's see, this is KFD Horse Knife Works. Is it the name of the knife? I guess so. So this is like a razor blade knife, carbon fiber, good looking, very lightweight. I love the sound it makes. And this is a frame lock? No, liner lock. Very smooth. Let's see if we can spider open it. Yeah, we can. Nice. I'm not even good at it, but yeah, look how smooth that is. Ooh. Again, you see it? Super easy. Left hand, right hand, no problem. I'll be careful right here. So yeah, looks like a reversible, no, non-reversible clip. Soft clip, I like it. So this is like one of those old school razors. Beautiful knife. Wow. This is my first time knife by this brand. There's a logo on it. This is my first Protech. This is a custom Protech. So yeah, there's a little note on it. Limited time warranty. Do not disassemble your knife, whatever. So anyways, Protech. Wow, that is powerful. It flew off my hand. Happens sometimes. Hated that it dropped, but you know, it wasn't that far off a drop. Protech is a really nice and famous brand. This is a custom. They make a lot cheaper one. This one is about $600 knife. Oh, how do you close that? Okay, you press it hard. This edge is not sharp, but still dagger style. And you really have to hold on to it. It kicks. Wow. Yeah, beautiful knife. Very comfortable. It's so simple. I love the handle. What's called? Anodized handle, something like that. They're very popular. Wow. No wonder this thing is $600 because it is beautiful. And I guess this is like a kind of like a its own safety. Wow, that is nice safety. You really have to push into it for it to open. Look at that. Otherwise, I'm like pushing as hard as I can. Whenever it's flat, nothing happens. Once I have to put like a little tip of my finger, it flies out so fast, and it kicks, you know, it flew off my hand. So that's something you don't give to a non-knife guy, because they're gonna grab it, flip it, and it flies out. And as you can see, it has this kind of like different like rainbow color to it, like purplish blue or whatever that color. That's a beautiful Protech right here. If you like Protech knives, that's a piece of part of collection have to be. Vintage Microtex, man, I love vintage knives, especially with their unique mechanism. This is amphibian auto stone wash plane. This is what Microtex used to come with. Beautiful little knife, tight clip, and the button is this way right here. Look at that kick. Do you see that? That's another really kicky knife. Ooh, this is so comfortable. I would like for myself personally a little bigger knife, but it's so comfortable. That clip even feels good onto my hand. That's a nice knife. I guess if you need to work on something like, you know, sharpen a stick, you can put a finger here or here. More precision work this way right here. But yeah, that's a really cool one. What's in it? 01 2002. So this is almost, yeah, 20-year-old knife. That's a good time to bring it in. And looks like it's copyrighted in 2001. Wow, only a year old after they opened the company. So yeah, beautiful, definitely next level knife. Okay, and the last one, Medford. I love Medfords. They're huge. They're a bunch of huge things. Protech S35VN steel, you see model, finish, Volcom, all this not super important stuff. And I got it from NC Blade. It's a local store. That's kind of cool that they type in where you buy it. It's like a dealer, knife dealer that they send. I wonder if I buy it as a dealer, will they type in Crazy Russian Hacker? There's some swag over here. That's nice. Certificate of authenticity. October 27, 2021. So pretty new knife. But you know, it takes them a long time to ship out. When you order it from the website, it really takes a long time to get it. That is a beautiful knife. Oh my gosh. It's not a flipper, even though it looked like it for a second. Oh wow. Oh my god, that it feels so good. Look at that blade. That is nice. Comfort wise, who cares? It is a beautiful knife. It's just metal handle, but it is such a cool knife. I really like it. It is not made to be smooth knife in the beginning because it's out of factory. It will smooth out. They do it by design. Is it a front flipper? No, I don't think so. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm getting better at it. That Medford looking so good. Might have to keep that one. Look, they even have a clip that looks like a tank as well. It's huge. Look at that blade. The actual blade bigger than the handle. Check this out. You see how skinny handles are? And the blade is super thick. So yeah, some different, super easy to flick it. I can't believe it. Can we spider open it? Kind of. Almost. A bit too big. But I bet if I practice I can get it really easily. It just shows how easy it is to open it. That knife. And it's only gonna get smoother. But I love the design. Look at that grooves. Look at that treated metal. So cool. Made for S. Oh my gosh. That's a keeper for sure. Yeah, that's the next level knives. Let me know which one is your favorite. It is so hard to pick. I think two of my most favorite out of this pile is this two. This one's more expensive. This one is the cheapest, and I love it. It's so smooth. It's like $250. Give it or take it. Depends on the model too. Depends what it's made from. You know, this one is a nicer material here. So yeah, I like them all. Probably gonna keep them all for a long time. But yeah, that's my favorite Medford I ever owned. Look at that. It's so satisfying to look at. Almost wanna make a thumbnail of this knife.